Hey, Amy Bolan here with Remax, and you're not going to want to miss this complete video. This is a new property that we're getting ready to put on the market. Beautiful, newer home, just 3 years old, and this 12.5 acre farm, it can be an equestrian farm. There's so many opportunities, and I want to have the opportunity of showing you everything that this can be. So let's take a look inside in the home first. I just love sweetgrass in the fall. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? This current owner makes sweetgrass baskets, and this farm is actually called Sweetgrass Roots. And right here is where she makes the baskets. This would make a great she shed, man cave, woman cave, or you could pick up sweetgrass weaving and make your own baskets. Look at these beautiful persimmons. Are you into gardening? Look at this beautiful 19 by 30 greenhouse with this fabulous irrigation system that runs all the way across. It has for the outside areas for the vegetables, its own separate watering system. So if you're into vegetables and gardening, this is the place for you. This property used to be part of a working tobacco farm, and now it's 12.5 acres, as I mentioned, that was used for horses. It can be used for more rentals. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, beautifully decorated, that is being rented out. So if you're looking for ground to do anything, as far as additional campsites or additional buildings to rent out, this is the perfect property for that. Or just for your own pleasure, and this is where you can put grandma. And for those that are into gardening and animals, and of course being in the low country and having this much land, who doesn't need some chickens? Well, right here is your chicken coop. And of course, for the horse lovers and animal lovers, they did have horses here. They actually had a donkey here. They've had goats. And of course, there's a nice pen for the dogs. But these are all portable fencing that they created to make a paddock area for the horses. And as you can see, there's plenty of land out there to do whatever your dreams and desires may be.